Well, thank fucking God that's over with. Hey y'all, how the fuck we doing? Holy shit. Let's give Bentley James a round of applause for giving it her best shot. That was amazing. Jesus Christ, I can't believe we made it here, y'all. It's been 8 long weeks, and I look behind me and I really look and I'm like, God, I can't believe some of us have made it here. Holy shit. I mean, is this a drag race or a buffet line? It's like Trevor Charles' balls, bitch. Girl. Hello, our lovely panel of judges. How we doing? Y'all are all looking very plump and beautiful tonight. Or Detox's case pumped. Jesus. Detox is here, everyone. Hey. All the way from RuPaul's Drag Race, girl. I can tell you haven't been on in a while because you show up for the promise of free cocaine and twins, bitch.
That's just in my rider.
They have him tied up back there with a bag of coke up his ass just so you show up on time.
I didn't.
Oh my God. Diamond Danae decided to crawl out of a hole today. Back again, honey. You see, Diamond Danae is like HPV. She shows up when no one wants her, burns a little when she's here. No matter how many shots you take, doesn't get you prettier. That sassy? More like overweight, defensive. Oh. Nadia's here, everyone. It's a roast. Grow the fuck up, bitch. Nadia's here, everyone. That's your wife. I feel like Nadia was here to make me laugh, because to be honest, the biggest joke of the competition is that she was qualified to judge the thing. I mean, look who's left. You got Veronica Scott up here, close to death. Got Zuzu Bella's 3 different fucking colors. Xander Duchy can't stop fucking lip syncing. And Billy James' head looks like he's about to explode, bitch. Now, which one of you fellas is Dia Elektra? Oh shit. They said I was doing a roast, not a funeral. Why are you 35 or 60? You really put the dying of old age, bitch. All jokes aside, I'm glad you could leave your AA meeting to join us here today. Dia blew double zeros and showed up right on time. We'll collect your keys after the lip sync bitch, so you don't pitch your 4th, 5th. Don't worry, darling, we've lost count too. Dia is like the Casey Anthony of drag.
What?
Thick, white, privileged, her family hates her, and knows exactly where her daughter is at all times. Dia's a mother of 3, actually. She's a mother of 3. 2 of which are drug addicts. One of them, ironically, looks older than she does. I guess you saved all the good genes for yourself, or you didn't. Oh my God. That makes September Murphy your grandmother, right? Because she's your mother? Did she pass down the racism, or does it skip a generation? No, Dia isn't racist. One of her best friends is Cash Monet. Now, I'm not sure if she's Cash Monet's best friend, but anything to make us feel better, right? Jesus Christ. No, Dia's great, actually. She's a pageant winner, a hairdresser, a host, a drag brunchette, an alcoholic, you know, you name it, she's fucked it. You call yourself a witch? I call you a slut. You took a shit last week and Mary Con came out. Don't touch me, faggot. I'm jealous of Dia, actually, you know. It must be easy to fuck twinks when you dangle a fake drag career in front of their faces. A great actor you are. Oh my God. A lot of people don't know that Dia is a great actress because, well, she isn't. Like you acted like that was a good lip sync last week. Everyone knew their words, right?
I didn't say that.
Dia, your lips have a dad bod. Dia's drag race, I guess, you know. Only because Lavender wasn't qualified to be the face. No, they share duties. You know, Lavender does everything and Dia gets to rake in all the credit. All that hard work of being a mouthpiece when most people would just rather hear you shut the fuck up. She can't help it, y'all. Look at those lips. She's been preparing for this all year, honey. And with that being said, my name is Queen Alex Suarez. I'm out of time, out of jokes, and fuck all of you. Thank you.